getting good feedback of your business on social media platforms is very important because your leads, that means your potential customers, are going to be attracted because of the reviews. So now in this video, I will show you how you can automatically share your business reviews on your Facebook page without you lifting up your finger. So first of all, let me show you how this automation is going to work in real time, okay? So now this is the name of my Fusion Nexus, and now what I'm going to do is I will write a review over here through my different account on this page, okay? So for the review, I'm going to write it as, I liked the store and the service and pricing is very good. Okay, I've given 5-star review right here. I'm going to post this review on this page. As now I've posted the review, now what I'm going to do is I will open my Facebook page and refresh this page from here. As now I refresh my Facebook page, you will find a new post has been created, another 5-star review in. We love hearing from you happy customers. The comment was, I like the store and the service and the pricing is very good. This is the same review that I have just posted. So this is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time to showcase your business reviews automatically on your social media platform. So now if you want to learn this entire process of how you can create this connection in your business as well, for that we are going to use this amazing application that is Pabbly Connect. On a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect, and you will land towards Pabbly Connect's landing page. Now before we discuss and create this amazing automation, I want to tell you about Pabbly Community. Now Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here you can share your ideas, share your feedbacks, ask questions, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below, okay? Now coming back to the automation creation on Pabbly Connect landing page, you will find two options, that is sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're an existing user just like I am, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. I'm already a user, so I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section in front of you, where you will see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this Access Now button. Now Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear. The dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation, click on this Create Workflow button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster, and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. I will select the new beta method version from here. Firstly, we have to rename our workflow. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Showcase Your Business Reviews on Facebook. Okay, for the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select the workflows folder. If you want to create your own folders inside Pabbly Connect from this plus button, you can do that. I will create this workflow from here. Inside Pabbly Connect workflows, there are two major principles, that is trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows all the commands simultaneously. So that is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. Now firstly, we're going to set up our trigger step, and for my trigger application, I will select over here as Google Business Profile. I want that as soon as a new review has been posted on my profile, automatically this trigger should capture the response of that. And for the event, I will select it as New Review. Okay, then click on this Connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I will tell you how you can add a new one. Simply click on this Sign In with Google button right here. Then it is asking for us to choose an account that we want to continue with. This is the account. I will select it. Then it is asking for the permission for my account, for which I'm going to click on this Continue button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Firstly, we need to select the account. This is my account in the name of Shrestha, so I'm going to select this account from here. And for the location, if you have multiple locations, you have to select one location from which you want to collect the reviews inside this trigger. Okay, so this is my location in the name of Fusion Nexus. Okay, after selecting the account and the location, over here you have to click on the Save and Send Test Request button, and the last review that was posted on your profile is going to be captured in this response right here. So before we are going to click on this Save and Send Test Request button through a different profile, I'm going to post a new review on my Google Business profile, and then we are going to click on this button right here. Okay, I will add a new review over here. Okay, I'm going to click on this Write a Review button. I will give this review 5 star, and for the experience I'm going to write it as, over here this is my review. Absolutely amazing service. Fusion Nexus truly understands fashion and creativity. Their team is super professional and responsive and goes above and beyond to deliver exceptional results. The design, styling and overall coordination are top notch. Highly recommended for anyone looking for a fashion agency that blends innovation with perfection. Okay, so as now this is the review, I will post this review on the profile. As I've posted the review on the profile, now what I'm going to do is, you can see the review has been posted. I'm going to go back to my workflow and click on this save and send test request button. So as I'm going to do that, I have received this response in my trigger right here. The rating comes over here as 5, and this is the comment added by this person. Absolutely amazing. You can see this was the last review that I have added through another profile on my business. Okay. So as now this response has been captured over here in my trigger, now what we are going to do is we are going to post this 5-star review on our Facebook page, our social media. But my situation is I only want to post the reviews which has been given 5-star rating. I don't want to post anything below 5-star on my Facebook page. So now in this condition, we have to add a filter inside this workflow. So add an action step. Action application is going to be filtered by Pabbly. This is an amazing feature through which you can add filter values according to your requirement. Event is going to be filter values. Click on this connect button. Now for this label, I will select the data of this rating that I've received, that is 5. So if this label, that is star rating, is going to be equal to 5, then only this workflow should be further executed after this filter step. That is why we are adding this condition. So as I'm going to click on this save and send test request button, I've received the status as success and condition is true. Okay. So now as this filter has been added and we have received a successful response. So now as we have added this filter, now whenever we will receive the rating, and if the rating is going to be equal to 5, only then this workflow is going to be further executed. But if the rating is going to be 4.7 or even 4, 3, 2, 1 or between any of them, this workflow is not going to be further executed after this filter step. Okay. So as now this filter is added, now let us add this rating on our Facebook page. So I'm going to select my action application over here as Facebook pages. An event is going to be what? Create page post. Okay. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection. I will add a new one. For that, click on this connect with Facebook pages button. This is my account, and as I want to continue with this account, I'm going to click on this continue button, and the connection has now been successfully created. As now this connection has been created successfully, firstly it is asking for me to select the page where I want to create the post. For the page, I've created a Facebook page in the name of Style Revolution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for this page over here and select it. Okay. Message is going to be the post message. So for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is my post message right over here, and in the post message I have to insert the comment, the review that I've received. Now for the data of this field, I will map the data. How it will work, I'm going to show you. Select this data. This is the previous response. I'm going to select it, and over here I've received this comment. I will select the data of this comment from my previous response as I want to share this comment on my Facebook page. Now as I've selected this data from my previous response, this data right here has been mapped, and as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, that means a new review, automatically the new response is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Okay. It is asking for link URL, which I do not want, so I'm going to skip the part and simply click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, I've received this response, which is a positive response, and if I'm going to refresh this Facebook page of mine from here, you can see a new post has been created with that same comment right here. Okay. So as now this new post has been created, this means the connection between these two applications, that is Google Business Profile and Facebook page, is now been created successfully. Now whenever I will receive a very good review, 5-star rating review on my Google Business Profile, automatically without me lifting up my finger, the review is going to be shared on my Facebook page as a post. Okay. But I want to tell you one thing. Google Business Profile is a polling based application. You can see next to this there is a clock sign. It says this trigger will check the new data in 60 minutes. This means whenever the new data, that means a new review is going to be posted on my Google Business Profile, it will collect all the new data and send it towards Pabbly Connect in the polling duration, that is 60 minutes. If you want to change this trigger time, right click on it and simply go to the set trigger time option. You will find this drop down where the minimum trigger time is 10 minutes and the maximum is 24 hours. You can select the trigger time according to your requirement right here. Okay. If you find any of the questions or doubts while I was creating this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. If you liked this video and if you want this same workflow link just for the reference in your business, you will find the link of the workflow in the description section. It's a shareable link. You can use it as well. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.